Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area near Westtown Commons Shopping Center on Walker Road, getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days shortly. I missed yesterday's weather video. I apologize for that. I'll give you a brief highlights of it right now. Yesterday's low temperature was 68 degrees. The high was 88 degrees. Had no rainfall, and the highest wind gust was, if I can find it, southeast at 19. Sorry it took so long to find it. Southeast at 19 miles per hour at 8:21 p.m. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and move on into today's climate summary. We've had an unexpected beautiful day today, and very little rain from tropical depression Cindy. Matter of fact, the 10 a.m. advisory was the last one issued by the Hurricane Center. It has weakened to practically just a regular low pressure. So we're still going to get some rain from it, but not as dramatic as earlier thought. Now, I guess that's some good news for some people. Most of the rain is to our west, moving north, which I'll show you in just a few moments. But it looks like it's going to be roughly midnight till tomorrow night, around sunset, is going to be our best chance for showers and thunderstorms here in Jackson. Sooner to our west, with more details on that coming shortly. Alright, let's go ahead and look at today's climate summary. As of 5 p.m. here in North Jackson, the skies were partly cloudy. The temperature, I said partly cloudy. We had some sunshine during the afternoon. How about that? 88 degrees was the temperature at 5 p.m. The feels like temperature or heat index felt like 98 degrees. The dew point was 77 degrees. The humidity was 70%, and the wind was out of the south at 8 miles per hour. The barometric pressure was 29.80 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was 73. Today's high so far 88. I've had 200ths of an inch of rainfall here so far today, and that's been it. Most of that occurred during the morning hours. Lowest relative humidity today, if I can say it, was 67% at 4 p.m. The highest was 97% at 8 a.m. Today's lowest barometric pressure was 29.80 inches, and that was at 4 and 5 p.m., while the highest would be 29.95 inches, which occurred at 12 a.m. And incidentally, that 98 degrees heat index at 5 p.m. is the highest for today so far. The highest wind gust at the Jackson, Tennessee airport today has been out of the south at 22 miles per hour, and that occurred at 1:39 p.m. The sun will be setting tonight at 8:14 p.m. and be rising tomorrow morning at 5:41 a.m. The moon will be setting this evening at 6:43 p.m. Be rising tomorrow at 5. If I can read my own handwriting, what is that? 5:22 a.m. I think. 5:22 a.m. Apologize for that. And be setting tomorrow evening at 7:50 p.m. And incidentally, tomorrow, the 23rd, Friday, we will be in the new moon phase. So we won't be able to see much of the moon. Sort of just a little nail clipping of it's what I like calling it sometimes. But anyways, that's the moon information for you. It's 5:22 a.m. I'm just making sure I read that right for the moonrise tomorrow morning. Today's records for June the 23rd. It looks June the 22nd. I'm sorry, June the 22nd. Hottest time would be 100 degrees in 1988. The coolest high would be 79 degrees in 1992. Warmest low would be 77 in 1952, while the coldest low would be 47, and that was in 1992 when that happened. And today's rainfall record was 2.30 inches, and that fell in 1997. All right, let me move on to the regular maps, and then I'll read you the rest of the forecast. It has changed a little, and you'll see as we go. Let me turn the camera around so that you can see it as well. Hold on. We're going to start off, of course, with the local Weather Underground version of map, and that's very blurry, isn't it? Maybe that'll help a little bit. I bet I was blurry too. If I was, I apologize for that. I really can't tell until after I see it a little bit. There you can see the low pressure there, and southwest Arkansas, northeast Texas, northwest Arkansas, Louisiana. That's what's left of Tropical Depression Cindy. And she is moving still in our general direction toward West Tennessee. You can see the other map features there. Looks like Florida for the most part is in pretty good shape, except for down around Jacksonville and points down there near well, there you see north central Florida there. There's a high over in western North Carolina. There's a front there that connects to Canada, southeast Canada. And there we are. There we are. I guess that's right. And then rain, looks like there's some rain over in East Tennessee, and some trying to move into West Tennessee from down to Mississippi, courtesy of that low pressure system. And then you see all the other highs and lows out west. And up north, not too terrible, not really. But there you see the various frontal systems. That low pressure, Cindy is the closest thing to us, other than that high pressure over North Carolina. Otherwise, the map really doesn't look all that bad. Alrighty. I guess I'll go ahead and move to this. We do have a flash flood watch going into the National Weather Service. That's valid. That's my Twitter account I'm showing you. My nickname is Sir William there, Sir William Brantley. It's a flash flood watch, which is in green, as you can see, from 7 p.m. tonight until midnight tomorrow night. And this for every county in West Tennessee except for McNairy and Hardin County. Those two counties are not included. And there you can see the outline of where the watch is valid. Right now there's a tornado watch out down in Mississippi, just a little south of Tupelo, that might be extended northward later on tonight. We'll have to wait and see if that happens. But right now we're just under a flash flood watch here in Madison County, Tennessee. And again, that's valid from now until midnight Friday night. Okay, let's look at the radar real quick like. As you can see, Jackson's in the clear for now. But as you can see, there's those scattered showers as to our southwest down near Memphis. And they're moving fairly rapidly north. There's some up there in Missouri. They're also moving due north. And there's some, of course, over in Middle Tennessee. They're moving northeast. And away, it looks like it's splitting off to our northeast and to our northwest, and it's splitting off right down in here, like toward near Tupelo. And we're kind of almost in a straight line there from Tupelo to Jackson. But those storms down there near Oxford, Mississippi, and near Memphis will probably be moving through here. It's possible they might get here before midnight, but most of them's going to wait until after midnight to get here. All right, and move on to the satellite real quick. Satellite picture basically confirms that. You can see the center of the low pressure down there, right along the northwestern border of Louisiana, southwestern Arkansas. You can see the fair skies over Tennessee, or West Tennessee at least. The heavy clouds over there in the eastern sections of eastern half of Tennessee at least. It's fairly sunny down there in Mississippi, except the northwest corner. And some of that's moving our way. But once this cluster of storms down here gets up here to where we're at, that's going to be our best chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And that appears to be tomorrow when that was happening. Let me move back to this map. I tell you what, let me put it on the radar. I'll leave it there while I read you the forecast. Okay, right there would be good enough. And that's live as of 6/16. You see what's that. Now let me go ahead and read the forecast because I ain't got a whole lot of time on it. It's going to be, I'm going to call it very cloudy to midnight. And then mostly cloudy all day tomorrow. Or at least, yeah, all day tomorrow. I'll give it a 40% chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms tonight before midnight. And up to about sunrise tomorrow morning. Then, of course, mostly cloudy most of tomorrow with an 80% chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some of them could be heavy, especially from sunrise to sunset. With and then the storms will all end by sunset and just be mostly cloudy to midnight tomorrow night. We should have a low near 75, which is weather warm, and a high tomorrow of only 80. So it's actually going to be kind of cool tomorrow. We should have south winds at 15 to 30. On Saturday, it's going to be mostly cloudy most of the day, becoming fair by Saturday night, with a low near 68, and a high of 85, with north winds at 10 to 20. So finally, by Sunday, it's going to be mostly clear, with a low, near 61, and a high of 84, with north winds at 10 to 20. And on Monday, mostly fair once more, mostly clear, whichever. Low near 61, high of 81 again, well, high of 81 instead, rather, of 84, with north winds at 10 to 20. The 84 is going to be on Sunday for a high, 81 on Monday for a high. And that's pretty much it for that folks. Once we get past the storms tomorrow morning and tomorrow morning and afternoon, we should be okay. I don't see no big flood event out of this. I don't see no big severe weather out of it either. But yes, we probably will get some storms, maybe some minor localized flooding, but no big widespread deal though. I just don't see it right now. I may be wrong. I could be proven wrong. This happened before. But we shall see. Well, I hope you have a very pleasant Thursday night. May the June, the 22nd, 2017. Hope you wake up to a beautiful Friday, June the 23rd, regardless of how rainy or stormy it may be. And I hope I get a chance to talk to you again tomorrow night, my friends. And until then, good night, and God bless you. And be careful out there, especially west of Jackson, tonight and tomorrow.